What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I go by Pushing Kilos and we are the Kilo Gang, okay? And it's so easy to become a part of the Kilo Gang. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button, okay? So, y'all, let's catch up. So, last time I talked to y'all, we did the previous routine in the video. I was supposed to drop multiple videos, y'all. I think the devil be trying to work, but he ain't gonna win over here. My iPad broke. It was like the sensitivity in the screen went out, so I had to get it fixed. And then once I got this actual video uploaded, it kept getting flagged, so I kept having to take it down. And y'all, I'm praying that once I do this voiceover over again for the 15,000th time, this video gets approved and I'm able to upload it for y'all. So please give me grace, okay? Because I'm trying to do this for y'all, but sometimes outside environmental factors be working against you, girl. But today we are doing a mini routine. We're learning some moves and doing a mini routine. I told y'all this is going to kind of be a new norm for me. So we're going to learn something, put it into a routine. So please, y'all, please watch the entire video, okay? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. And if you're already returning, you know you better be subscribed. Make sure, again, y'all, like the video and please comment. Love y'all. We about to get into the routine. Bye, y'all.
So you in your armpit, in front, open, drop. Yes, let's go. Keep your legs.
Or when you drop, you keep your legs out. What happened?
Keep your legs.
That shit yesterday.
That's a little better, but you gotta make it dramatic. You can't try to let her. It's like swing your hair up. Whatever. And then when she started running, alright, cool. You got it right? Alright, so we in the back. You're gonna step to your left. Rock your hips to the right. Take your right leg, bring it up. Step again. Cause you gonna say, I'm doing something. Boom. Five. What? You calling me back?
The thing is falling. You got me on so in the trance. Something like a ziplock. Put a lip lock. You wrap around my arm like a wristwatch. So hard walking out. Treasure, baby, not my trash. Thirsty, about to make it fast. Why I treat you like a trophy? Control freak, I tell you that's better than no free. Find someone better, you can go free. Stop tripping, girl, you know me. I'm your homie, don't cut it off. We done said it all, then we done it all.
Patience ain't no virtue with you. I done wasted plenty time pacing around, hate this cool. You to talk to me in your love language. Show me, yeah, how to connect to you. Help me understand how you speak your love language.
Hold on tight. Yeah, that hold on tight. Oh, that hold on tight.
This part is this. Does this foot? I just step out.
So you back, so you here. Boom. Pop. Boom. Boom. So it should be three. Should be here. He calling me back to back. He calling me back to back. This is a new outfit. Turn to a back foot pit. Snap.
Okay.
Down. Hand down, hand down, hand down, hand down.
Okay.
Alright.
This shit just don't feel
You got
like
it.
it's.
Boom. Boom. Stay right there. Keep calling me back to back.
Back to bed.
Keep calling me back to back. This is a new outfit. Turn to a back foot pit. Hand down, hand down, hand down, hand down. She pulling up. That's when you pull up.
Drop the roof and let the smoke in. I got diamonds doing till the skies and roses. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck or not, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. This the starting off, then it's gonna be some shit. Where you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunned till I
You turned that to,
yeah.
so he say, she say, he calling me at the back. Oh, this is a new outfit. Turn to the back up here. Bring it down. Twerk, 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 twerk. She pulling up her foot. Pow.
Okay, wait. She's pulling up the board.
Okay. And then that's when you do your bam, drop. Because she said, because I'm
these days, no,
I'm pulling up.
niggas be blasting.
I pull up on the side. Pow.
This shit might drive
And
you
then
mad.
turn,
Pretty mix.
twerk, 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 twerk. Yeah, I think, I don't know. I got this.
Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunned till I get. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunned till I get.
So, any questions on that? Alright, so I'm making it clap because he keep on making these noises. Damn. Shit. Alright.
Okay.
And then she say drop the hand that you some
Let's practice this thing, because I haven't did this in so long. And I've been wanting to practice.
Okay, but you gotta whip a little bit more. That's because you started, yeah, you did it. But I want you to go like this. 1, 2, with your chest up. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, stand with your chin up. There you go. And 1, 2, 3, and open up. You ain't open up like you
Gotta open?
Yeah, wow, bow, bam. Give me that bam. So it's like across, open. It is 1, 2, 3. You gotta literally cross, open. Then you only going open. You gotta cross, open. Come on. It's better though. At least you got it, you're not scared. And 5. And it could be your shoes. You don't know how to work them shoes like that. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and cross your legs more. It's like on up. Tell her. 1, 2, 3, whip. You ain't whipping. It's like you going like this. You gotta bust your leg wide open. Now you going like this. 1, 2. You going like this. I need you to go. 1, 2, whip. Open. Spread the legs wide. She like that. You almost there. You just gotta spread your legs wide. 1, 2, 3.
I can't do it, girl.
Yes, you can. You gotta cross. Look, cross, open, cross, open. You going open, and then one of them just crossing. You need to go both. Open, cross. So cross your legs to an S. Open up. Yes. Don't think about it. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and yes, that's better. That's better. All right, let's do it again.
Pull up to the party on my black ass shit. See you on my body now, we out. honey. No more running games. Gotta make it glad you change. Make it glad you can. Make it glad you can. Make it glad you can. Okay, I can see your potential. I just wanna see how you handle. Just might bend the rules if you're with it. I get you can get it. So get on my caliber. Come get on my caliber. You feel like a CEO. Then you gotta work me up. Can you get me level up? Put you on my calendar. Gon' fit in my schedule. If you ain't gon' come correct, won't come at all. Brown skin and a lavender. Champagne with the caviar. Lights off, come and find me. Come and find me like a scavenger. Sorry if I make it too hard. Potential, I can see how you handle the rules if you're with it. I get you can get it. So come get on my caliber. Get on CEO. Then you gotta work it. Can you give me love? Put you on my calendar. Okay, I can see your potential. I just wanna see how you handle. Just might bend the rules if catch me dangerous. Been so lost without you all around me. Get anxious. Let me down if I can stop about you. In the dark right now. Feeling lost, feeling like it. Comfort in my sins, not about me. All I got right now, feeling days of resentment.
That was good. So when you go down like this, you can come up and say twerk, 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 and turn around. Okay.
No, we did the invert. Where I did climb up. We climbed up.
You came to the side, right? Yeah, that's why you said climb up. To the side.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
we did that in a routine before.
Really? And then open up and jump down to everybody?
When we learned it, I think we recorded it on my phone.
You record, you do a routine.
Not in routine.
Yeah, that's all. I don't think you did a routine. You got this.
I come up and I go to the tag and I open up.
And then close it back, bring your arms down.
What you need to do on that?
So you want to see everybody?
Upside down?
Here.
Know what she doing?
You want to record on your phone?
I don't know if I'm confident about the confidence.
Okay, do it one time, then we'll do it.
Okay.
But look, I'm about to say,